In this video, we're going to give you a brief overview of the Brother PE900. Like the previous model, the PE800, the 900 will give you the same quality, the same 5x7 area. This is an embroidery only model. Brother has added a wireless network to this particular machine, so you can actually send a design through your wireless network to the machine. There are other features built into this machine that is unique to it, and we'll give you a brief overview of that. The PE900 is an embroidery only model. It gives you the popular 5" by 7" embroidery field. That's one of the more popular sizes on the market. I can pull my design up here. If you'll notice, I have a really clear color screen built into the machine. I can pull the design up. It tells me what hoop and recommends what hoop to put on the machine. There are now magnetic hoops available that this machine will interface with. So feel free to check out our website as we carry all the accessories for these machines. We can help compare this model to the previous PE800 to see which one's going to work for you. We'll carry all that for it. But it's really easy by us pulling a design up on the machine, backing out to where I want to go. I pull up this design here of this butterfly, and the machine's going to tell me how big the design is. I can go in and change the increments from millimeters to inches or back and forth. It'll show me on screen with the edit mode built in. I can move my design around anywhere I want to, resize it, rotate it, add things to it. So if I want to put a name underneath here, I can. Or if I want to add something for that butterfly sitting on, I can do that from USB, from the wireless, and there's a data transfer system on this particular machine that we can do from our computer. Once I get the design set up like I want and moved and positioned where I want to, then all I have to do is just put the thread on it. Thread it up, it's ready to go. Now, threading is a breeze on the PE900. It has a horizontal spool pin. Everything is channeled all the way down to my needle, and I will have a built-in needle threader that I can thread that needle really easy. Going on color changes, once you get used to this machine, you'll be able to thread it in 5 seconds with no problem whatsoever. The needle threader on this is a very well-built, well-designed needle threader that will last you for years to come. Once I get the design set up like I want it, all I have to do now is lower the presser foot. I've got my design pulled up, and then I can just start embroidering. On the PE900, there are some neat features that Brother are adding to some of the later models out. This machine will feature the wireless LAN network, wireless LAN. And then what this is going to allow us to do is I can use my wireless network, send a design from my computer through that to the machine. I connect it to that network. I don't have to worry about going to a USB. If that is something that appeals to you, though I do have a USB built in, this may be the machine that you want to look at. There are new apps available. The Art Spira app is compatible with the PE900. I can draw my project on that app, save it, and then wirelessly transfer it to the machine. Only a handful of machines are able to do that. This one will cut my jump stitches for me, so I don't have to worry about getting my scissors out all the time. This machine has the design database transfer. I can transfer embroidery designs from my computer with a free downloadable software program that I install on my computer. I don't have to go to the USB. If that appeals to you, this is a machine you may want to consider. The 5x7 area is the most popular area called for. 90% of the time, we find that's what most customers are using on this particular machine. The 5x7 area paired with the edit mode built in and the wireless network, the PE900 is an awesome machine at a great price. On screen, I have a lot of tools built in that I never have to go to my computer. On the PE900, there are a lot of computer controls built into the machine, a lot of designs built in. There's over 190 built-in designs on this machine. It has a really pretty floral alphabet font. There's 2 different alphabet fonts built in on this machine. It's a really neat gift to give. Just embroider someone's last name or the initial of somebody, frame that. Makes a neat gift if you're just wanting to do an initial on a backpack or a shirt. It's easy to do. It's all built into the machine. The machine shows me what I need to do at any given time. I do have all the different alphabet fonts built in. There's 3 full pages of alphabet fonts on this particular machine, and I can easily back out to where I want to. I have decorative borders built in if I want to make a patch or put a border around a design. That's so easy to do. If I'm pulling up a design on this particular machine, I have an edit mode built in. You don't find this on many machines in this category, but all I have to do is I'll hit set. Now on this machine I can move that design around. So if I want to, I can move that design up the full size of the hoop, around, and there's sensors built in, so it's not going to allow me to hit my hoop once I start embroidering. The machine will beep at us. There's error messages that will pop up on the screen, so I never have to worry about that. I can go in on my hard drive of the machine and set this to inches so I know exactly what I want to do. So we'll do that right now. Instead of having it set up for millimeters, I want to go to inches. So I've changed it right here. I hit OK. Now it's going to show me on screen width and length of this particular design. I can move the design anywhere I want to. If that's how I like it, I'll hit OK. Now I can resize the design up to 20% depending on the design, the size of it, left to right, up, down. I can squeeze this all these different ways or stretch it out all these different ways. And once I get that like I want it, if I want to rotate it, I have the ability of rotating in 1 degree increments, 10 or 90. So with certain things, like if you're doing little building blocks for a baby blanket, you could easily rotate those around. You can get creative with that. I have the ability to fast forward through a color change, and if I want to delete something, I'm able to do that. If I want to add an alphabet, I can go here and add, and then I can put the alphabet that I want to, hit set, and it's going to bring that alphabet on this screen for me. And I get it where I want to. I may want to move that, so let's move that alphabet over. Now I've got it where I want it. I'll hit OK. And if this is how I want it, I'll just hit in edit. The machine's going to save all that as one design. Now I'm ready to go. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized brother dealer. We carry everything that's made for the PE900. Now when you purchase from us, you're not done with us. You can call us anytime. We have 4 full-time technicians on staff 6 days a week. Several educators that can help you with the right hoop, the right accessories, the right software, thread, stabilizer, needles, you name it. We carry it for this machine. Check out our website for more information or give us a call anytime.